everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn from Coinbase. This is like Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can learn and earn. And today I'm going to show you a demo. Please keep watching. So let's see how we can earn free crypto. I got an invitation from Coinbase in the morning. See that's right here, Coinbase. I'm just gonna open that email. See, you are invited to earn up to $6 worth of Algorand. So I'm just gonna click on earn algo. See, learn Algorand, earn algo. I'm just gonna click earn algo. And then those of you who don't have a Coinbase account, you need to create one. Those are absolutely free. I'll leave the link in the description box. I already have accounts. I'm just gonna sign in. So it's gonna send me a verification code on my phone. So I'm gonna verify that. Maybe I entered the wrong code, maybe. See, learn Algorand, earn algo. Let's get started. See right here, what is Algorand? Algorand is a blockchain platform that aims to solve the blockchain trilemma by being scalable, secure, and decentralized at all the same time. I'm just gonna watch a 3-minute video and I'm gonna earn $2, okay? Look how easy is that. So I'm just gonna watch the video. Okay. Okay, I just finished like one lesson. Now I'm just gonna do the quiz. See that how does algorithm solve the blockchain trilemma? Select the answer to one, and those are all multiple choice. So based on what I learned from video, I'm gonna answer that. See, you earned $2 algo, which they will send it to your Coinbase account. Those of you don't have it, you can sign up. It's all free, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. See how easily you can earn crypto while you're learning. So this is how you do it. Very simple, anybody can do it. And I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Please subscribe my channel and like. Thanks for watching.